now let's begin blocking out the head. So I'm just going to use some of the same brushes that we used before. So let's start with the clay buildup. And again, we want to go back and forth between sculpting, positive and negatively. Then we can smooth and then also remesh. So I want to start to block in kind of where we'll put the eyes, and so kind of the eye cavity. So I'm just going to hold down Alt and kind of push in kind of an area similar to this, and it's going to be bigger because there's going to be more kind of details in there, but I'll kind of roughly place this. And then I want to have a ridge that goes kind of all the way from the front here, kind of all the way back around. So we want to get kind of an owl kind of an effect. I do want to have kind of the cheekbone kind of in here, maybe right in here, and then down to like the jaw. So we can start to block those areas in. Let's kind of push in an area for like an ear. So something like that. And then we're going to have the kind of a large ridge coming along the back, kind of like that. And then an opening there, kind of block in the jaw shape. And then also I want to have kind of an area in here for the eye, kind of the brow. So we're going to have this overall look, and then we'll have a brow that kind of comes back over here and kind of connects up with the jaw in the back. Okay, let's remesh that. And then we can kind of smooth it out. And you can always make it bigger or smaller. I want to start to block out the jaw. So I'm going to go to Move, and just come to the side view. And I just want to kind of pull this out and down. Pull the jaw back a little bit. Just add a little bit of shape to the jaw. I know that I want to have this sort of reverse tooth here that kind of comes from the bottom jaw and goes up. And so I know that I want to have the front of this face kind of pushed in a little bit more to make room for that tooth. And so kind of bring this out. So something like that. And let's also, I'm going to add a little bit of detail down here where it's kind of pointy. And then I want to have a bit of it at the front that's more flattened, kind of like that. Now the eye socket that I have, I think it's really too far forward. And so I'm just going to pull all of this back. I want to have a lot more up in front of that. So I'll pull out everything kind of in front of the eye so we can get that socket kind of back here, because I know I want to have some detail in the front of that socket there. Okay, we can go back to our clay buildup, start to build that up again. And kind of, I know I'm going to have some detail coming around here. And eventually we'll put an actual piece of geometry in for the eye, because that's the only way you're going to get a good idea of kind of where that's going to be. So cheekbone right in there. Pull that down, kind of push that in into the jaw. And the jaw is going to kind of come up in there. I think we want to kind of thin that out a little bit as well. So going back to Move, MV, kind of pull this in, and I'm going to kind of straighten that out a little bit. And then also on this eye socket, I'm going to pull it out to the side so we get a little bit more depth to it. Get our draw size down a little bit lower. Obviously the draw size affects how much of your model you're affecting when you're moving it. Okay, we can kind of smooth this out, remesh. We can also come in here and I'm just going to overall kind of play with the silhouette here. Again, bigger brush size is going to have a bigger effect on your mesh. So I'm just kind of shaping it overall, just from the side. Bring down this part of the head. So something like that. Now I want to angle this part in a little bit more. So I want it to be kind of wide here and then narrow. Because this is, if you can imagine, this is kind of where that tooth is going to sit, kind of right in here and go up. So I think this is a good time as any to go in and get our Damien standard brush and just block out things like where the mouth is going to be. So I'm thinking of the mouth as kind of like right in here, get kind of a smaller brush size, kind of right in here and kind of coming down. So we can kind of block that in. I also think I want to have kind of an opening here where this kind of tooth will be able to sort of sit. And then, we'll have some